kuwashika hawa wahalifu.
Sekta mar limbe pachoka ne ogoje ka bang' meli maduong' moting'o welo go edho wath ma Mombasa gi welo kachiel kod jotich mag meli no moheo 1,000. Jatend migao mar limbe Rebecca Miano ma bende ne oromo ne meli no wacho ni maen ayanga ni sekta mar limbe medo dhi maber kendo gin kod geno mar yudo meli mamoko.
It is a very good start for the year 2026. Just last week, another ship docked here and we received a lot of visitors, and now today we also understand tomorrow and even in the months to come, because we know that cruise tourism is also about huge numbers. Just one vessel is able to deliver 600, 900, some more than 1,000, and this is very critical for Kenya. We know that our anchor is the coast and also the safaris, but we are also diversifying because the modern travelers are also looking for culture, adventure, sports, technology, and we are glad that Kenya is very well endowed with all those. From a tourism point of view, we are on an upward trajectory.